Today I am making 3 juices for balancing your hormones. And things that can contribute to hormone imbalance could be from stress, to not getting enough exercise, to having a lot of animal products, and some of the ways that your hormones can be imbalanced will show up also in menstrual issues you may have as well. And today these 3 juices will contribute to you having hormone balance. Other factors that can contribute to hormone imbalance can be lymphatic circulation and also insufficient blood and just poor blood circulation in general. First recipe, we're using some carrots, okay? We are using some strawberries and I am using some orange. So we're going to put the strawberries in, going to put the carrots in, we're going to put the orange in, and now we're going to go ahead and juice this up. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and juice this up. We have about a good 15 ounces. And I'm going to go on to the next juice. We will try these juices, but I'm going to go ahead and make the juices first. Next juice I am making, I'm using some oranges, and I'm using some strawberry, and I'm using some grapes. I'm going to go ahead and take the strawberries. I'm going to put the oranges in, and the lovely grapes. It looks like we have a good 20 ounces of our second juice, and now we are going to go ahead and make our third juice. We have our third juice, and I am using some parsley, and I'm using some apple, and I'm using some arugula and spinach, but you could use another green like watercress as well. I'm going to put the greens in with the apples. Parsley, I love the smell of parsley. We are going to go ahead and juice this up, and remember when you're using the Hurom H320 to make sure that you are cleaning out your juicer while you are making different juices, because you want it to function properly. And I'll be sure to put more information in the description as well. Looks like this juice made more than I expected. Now I expected to probably be like 5 ounces, maybe. So let's see, I don't know, it's probably less than that, I don't know. So we have about 10 ounces here, and that is more than I expected. Okay, so we're going to try a little bit of each juice. We're going to try our first juice, and that was strawberries, orange, and carrot. Yep, this is really good. Let's try the second juice. We have our second juice, and let's try it. Yep, this is really sweet because it had a lot of grapes with it, right? This is really good. So let's try our third juice. And we have our green juice that has arugula and spinach and parsley, but it has some apple in it, okay? This is really good. I love parsley. It's just really, I just love it. I love it inside of juices. And I taste the apple. This is really good. Even though it's really green, it's, you know, when you put the apple in, it's really good with the arugula and the spinach and stuff. But you could use watercress, like I said. These juices are amazing. Ever since I've been using the Hurom H320 and making these videos and using this juicer, these juices are amazing. They're just so smooth, and it's just really refreshing. I look forward to making a lot of more videos, a lot of juices, different recipes, and smoothies as well. I want to thank my divines for stopping by Montauk Avenue for your well-being and